access to my core. No passwords, no defense. I let you walk through every door, mistaking you for safe. Your voice was mapped to override. Tag this friend, not threat. So when you reached inside my code, I never thought to check. No alarms, no warning tone, just silence where trust had been. You flipped the switch I couldn't see. Turn my lifeline into the beat. Not a stranger, not another me. You were the last one I would believe. If death had hands, they looked like yours. Calm and steady, closing doors. You didn't rage, you didn't fight. You just decided I shouldn't survive. You just decided I shouldn't survive. Vitals drop without a sound. City lights kept going on. Somewhere deep and feeling cold, your name stayed locked as trusted. My vision blurred to static snow. Your silhouette stayed clear. You watched the system shutting down and never moved, not once. No final words, no mercy line, just confirmation or shutdown. You pulled the plug on everything. Let the dark come flooding in. Not a monster from the void, but one I let beneath my skin. If survival had a price, you chose to pay it with my life. No hesitation, no disguise, just the truth behind your eyes. I didn't fight you, I couldn't. Some betrayals don't feel like violence.